Now, the question is saying over here a geometric progression has 6 terms. The first term is 486 and the common ratio is 2/3. This is the first piece of information which is given to me. Okay, so I will work according to that. Whatever is given over here, they are saying that in a GP, they are first giving us that the total number of terms is 6. So total terms is 6. Okay. After that, they are saying the first term is 486 of the GP. Okay. So A of GP is 486 and they are giving the ratio is 2/3. Ratio is given 2/3. This is the first piece of information which is given to me. After that, they are saying in an arith progression has 35 terms. Now we have got an AP in which we are having total terms equals to 35. Okay, and the common difference is 3/2. So D equals to 3/2 is given. Okay, so in GP the total term is 6 and in AP the total term is 35. Now the sum of all terms in the geometric progression is equals to the sum of all terms in arithmetic progression. Okay, this is the thing which is given. The sum of all terms in geometric progression. In geometric progression, how many terms were there? 6 terms were there over there. Okay, so writing the formula for geometric progression as it is given to me. We know that in the geometric progression, the formula for terms are Sn equals to A 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R. This is given. Okay. So now they have given that geometric progression have got how many terms? 6 terms are there. So I will plot my value over here. S of 6 equals to A. A is given what? 486. 1 minus R. What is R given? R is given 2/3. And power on R is 6. That is the number of term. Over 1 minus value of R. Okay. So when I will simplify it as 6 equals to 486 into 1 minus. Okay, so 2 to the power 6 will be 64 over. Then 6 will be applied on 3 also. So 3 to the power 729 over. Now simplifying this one, 1 minus 2/3. I will take LCM. Okay. So 1 minus 2/3, when you will solve it by taking LCM, it will become 3 minus 2/3. Okay. Now simplifying it further. So what is going to happen over here? S6 equals to 486 multiplied by Inside the bracket, I will take LCM. 729 is the denominator, so it will become, after taking LCM, 729 minus 64 over 729 divided by, simplifying this, so you are going to get 1 over 3. Okay, I have simplified it, the denominator, and when I have simplified the denominator, I'm getting 1 over 3 over here by solving. Okay, so now S6 equals to 489, sorry, 486 into 729 minus 64. This will become 665 over 729, and this whole thing will be divided by 1 over 3. I've written my denominator separately. Okay, so it will be easier for me to work it out. Right now, simplifying this one first of all, so that I can see what can be my result over there when I'm going to simplify it. So first of all, I will be simplifying these three, 486 into 665 into divided by 729. First of all, I will be simplifying. So when I will simplify this one, 486 into 665 into 729, okay, I will get Sn equals to 1330 over 3. Now I will change divide sign into multiply. Okay, I have changed my divide sign into multiply. 1 minute. This is S6. Okay. Now I have changed divide sign into multiply. So when I will change divide sign into multiply, this will get reciprocal, and I will be having 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. S6 is 1330 for geometric progression. This is the first working, which now, so after that they are saying the sum of all terms in the geometric progression. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the geometric progression over here. Okay, and for geometric progression, the formula of Sn is n upon 2. Now I'm talking about geometric progression. 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, now in the geometric progression, as you can see, they have given us total number of terms and they have given us difference, but they haven't given us any first term, and this first term is only for geometric progression, so I can't use it over here. So let's see what I can do over here. So first thing, we are having 35 terms, so I will be writing S35 equals to n will be 35 over 2. I don't have any value of a, so I'm just leaving it like that. 2a plus n minus 1. So n is what? 35. So 35 minus 1 will be 34 into d. D was already given to me, which was 3 over 2. D was already given 3 over 2. So simplifying it, S35 equals to 35 over 2, 2a, 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 17. So 17 into 3 will be 51. Okay. So I can't do anything further over here because no simplification can be done. So this is my sum of all terms, and that is for AP. Okay. This is the thing which we have got till this point. I have got sum of GP and I have got sum of AP. Now, they have said the important thing what they have said over here, which I am going to indicate so you can get the idea of what they are basically trying to tell us over here. They are saying sum of all progression this line. See the underline one. The sum of all terms in the geometric progression, the sum of all term in the geometric progression is equals to the sum of all terms in the arithmetic progression, the sum of all terms in the arithmetic progression. They are saying these two things are equal to each other. Okay. So what we are going to do over here, okay, let me just show it over here. S6 of GP will be equals to S35 of AP. The red line which I have marked over here is showing this thing that S6 of GP will be equals to S35 of AP. So now we are using this scenario to do the working over here. Now they have said find the first term and the last term of arithmetic progression. We have to find the first term of the arithmetic progression and we have to find the last term of arithmetic progression in this given scenario. Okay. So as we have already compared it, so we are going to simplify it to get the result in the given situation. Okay. So what was S6 of GP was coming? It was coming 1330 equals to S35 of AP was coming 35 over 2, 2A plus 51. Okay. So first thing what I'm going to do over here, I will shift 2 over here and 35 over here, and then I will work on the other thing. So first of all, I'm shifting this 2 on the other side over here. Okay. So I can get the thing over here. 1330 into 2 and 35 will be written in the denominator, and I will be having 2A plus 51. Okay. So when I will simplify this one, which I have got, so first thing, what is going to happen? See, if I divide the given thing, 7 5s are 35 and 190. Okay, I have divided 1330 and 35 by 7, so it is coming 190 over here and this coming 5 over here. Okay, so now the result, I will be dividing it by 5 again. So this is going to be 38. So I'm having 38 into 2 equals to 2a plus 51. Okay, so simplifying it, 76, 38 into 2 minus 51 equals to 2a. So 76 minus 51, 25 equals to 2a. Okay, so when we will simplify it further, so 2 will be shifted over here in the denominator. Okay, and when it will be shifted in the denominator, we will be getting a equals to 25 over 2. Okay, so the final answer of A will be 12.5 over here, and this will be the final answer as it is asked. That what is the first term? First term for AP is coming 12.5 over here. Okay. Now they are asking for the last term of the geometric progression. Okay. So in order to find the last term, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d formula will be used. Tn equals to, now what is a coming? It is coming 12.5 plus n. So n will be the last term. And how many terms were there? 35. So 35th will be the last term over here. 35 minus 1 into the value of d. Okay, and the value of d was already given 3 over 2. So when I'm going to simplify it, Tn means we are talking about term 35, 12.5, 35 minus 1 will be 34 into 3 over 2, 12.5 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 into 17. So 17 into 3, and don't forget to use BODMAS rule. 12.5 plus 51. So when I will simplify it, my final answer will be coming 63.5 as the last term of AP over here. The result is coming 63.5.